As we come to the end of this course, let's take a moment to recap what we have learned so far. We started with understanding the benefits of Python and how to write simple Python code. We then delve into basic Python concepts such as data types, data structures, flow control, functions, modules, and libraries. Moving forward, there are numerous opportunities to enhance your Python skills and build a successful career. Continuing with our Python Advanced course on Udemy can equip yourself with additional skills to build applications and perform advanced data analysis. We have given all the Udemy courses link in the description. Python knowledge opens up several opportunities in the field of programming and software development. In addition to AI and ML engineering, here are some potential career paths that you can explore with Python. First, software developer engineer designed code tests, maintained software application built on Python. Second, web developer Python frameworks such as Django and Flask can be used to build web apps. Third, data scientist, along with statistical and business knowledge, Python can help you quickly transition to a professional data scientist. Fourth, ML engineer, as they have the ability to automate most automation projects on the cloud, such as orchestrating ML models, architecture, lawn service, and more. First, data analyst data extraction, cleaning, and processing can be done efficiently and quickly using Python frameworks. Similarly, analyzing pattern recognition, trending, and insights can be accomplished in the same flow, reducing time and switching between multiple platforms. Sixth, game developers, Python has frameworks like Pygame that allow you to create games. Based on your interest, you can specialize in using Python to build 2D games and prototypes. In conclusion, Python is a versatile language that can open up a world of opportunities for you. So keep learning and exploring new avenues to enhance your skills and build a successful career in Python. To gain a deep understanding of Python, I highly recommend checking out our resource on Udemy. You can find the link in the video description below.